please tell us a bit textile end waste, depolarization, acceptance as a circular recycling technology by European Commission?
Yes, well, good afternoon. Thank you very much. Just a fact, just to remind, there are about 4 million tons in Europe to be recycled. Today they are landfilled or sent to Africa, basically. It's not reused nor recycled, or slightly reused and practically not recycled. Anyway, so that's the reason why the EU had a textile strategy and also what they call a Green Deal Circular Action Plan, CEAP, okay, which is turning up around 2 or 3 key initiatives, which one is circular design principles, which has not been done until today, for chemical recycling and or depolymerization and mechanical recycling. Then separate textile responsibility by 2025. All this with the creation of EPRs, which is the third initiative or the first initiative of the 3, as you like it. There are much more than that, but we don't have the time for that. And recycling, separation, that is very complex because mechanical recycling, you need a very homogeneous waste stream. Whereas chemical recycling, depolymerization, we can purify the material quite well, except for some materials. So things are not really completely, let's say, finished, or we're still experimenting a lot. But many of our members have almost arrived now to the performance of being able to recycle everything. You have to know that when I speak about complexity, I speak about polycotton. For example, you have 80% polyester, 20% cotton. You have, and this is what they want to purify. Sometimes you have polyamide. You have, let's say, 10% polyamide. So you have to purify that. You have to. So that is extremely. Then you have flame retardant. Then you have elastan. You know, and we have all extremely difficult to purify. But as I said, we're arriving we're having now good results. So, but the problem is the high capitalistic intensity which we need to recycle all that, and yet nothing is created. The separation must be done by 2025. There is no, sorry, not the separation, the collection. There is no collection. There is a collection, but to be re-exported. It is not to be sorted, to be recycled. It has to be sorted by 2030, but we are far away from that. There are only 2 EPRs in existence today, few in preparation, maybe maybe 5 or 6, okay, but they're far away from their goals. So what PETCORE would like to do, and because we have the experience of packaging, is the scaling up simultaneously of the collection and the sorting with the preparation for recycling, okay, and preparation for recycling to mechanical or depolymerization. This is what we would like to do. So ideally, we should have a platform where the Commission would be invited, because we have a regulation today. It's very interesting, but this regulation is literally copied on packaging, and this is not enough, because packaging was very easy. Packaging was only transparent bottles, and then okay, and trays, but trays were coming to it. But trays are no way as complex, and when I collected them, then textile, polyester textile. So the idea is to see how, with the other association, brand owners, and the Commission, how we can create a platform which would grow with the objectives of the Commission, but with fine-tuning the regulations as we go ahead. You understand? So that is what is the goal of PETCORE.